The state has the Rihand Dam. Answer B. Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following river passes through a fault valley? Answer C. Godavari. At what place is Delhi in the country in greenery? Answer D. Fourth. When was the first Delhi newspaper published? Answer A. 1836. Delhi is situated on the bank of which river? Answer B. Yamuna. Wonder National Park, Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park is located in? Answer A. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Which steel plant was set up before independence of India? Answer D. Jamshedpur. Which of the following glacier is located in the Nubra Valley? Answer D. Siachen. Which state government has renamed the Rajiv Gandhi National Park as Orang National Park? Answer C. Assam. Furious 50s winds are associated with? Answer A. Westerly winds. Leading lag producing state in India is? Answer D. Jharkhand. The most suitable and important river for internal water transport is? Answer C. Rhine. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Answer C. Venus. Which of the following is called the pot of five seas? Answer B. Moscow. Which of the following is the port of Tokyo? Answer D. Yokohama. By what name is the temperate coniferous forest in the Siberia region known? Answer B. Taiga. Which of the following biosphere reserve state is not matched correctly? Answer D. Agastya Malai, Karnataka. The axis of the earth is? Answer A. Inclined. Sial, Sima and Knife are? Answer B. Layers of the earth. Springtide occurs on? Answer C. Both full moon and new moon. Which of the following types of forest occupy the largest percentage in India? Answer B. Tropical dry deciduous. In which of the following continents most of the internal waterways have developed? Answer D. Europe. The Buenos Aires is famous for which of the following? Answer A. Dairy products and meat. In which country is Rotterdam the most important port of Europe located? Answer A. Netherlands. Which of the following types of forests are found only in the northern hemisphere? Answer B. Temperate angular forest. Which of the following is the most industrialized country? Answer D. Singapore.